Good morning, ninth class. Today we are going to start next topic, detailed structure of eukaryotic cell. We all know that a eukaryotic cell is that cell in which a true nucleus is present and that true nucleus is surrounded by a nuclear membrane. Example of eukaryotic cell or eukaryotic organisms are plant and animal. So, a simple eukaryotic cell consists of three parts or three main components that are: first is plasma membrane और सेल मेम्ब्रेन. प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन बोल लो या इसको सेल मेम्ब्रेन बोल लो. सेकेंड इज न्यूक्लियस and third is cytoplasm. First is plasma membrane. The plasma membrane, it is the outer covering of a eukaryotic cell. It covers the cell from the outside. Second point of plasma membrane is it is thin, living and made up of lipids and proteins. Lipids and proteins. Third is plasma membrane is selectively permeable. Selectively permeable means it allows the entry or exit of certain selected substance or molecules. Means it allows the entry or exit of certain selected molecules या फिर ions from the cell. Next है second part of eukaryotic cell is nucleus. As I have told you that eukaryotic cell has a true nucleus surrounded by a nuclear membrane and is present in the center of the animal cell. But in plants, this nucleus gets moved to the periphery due to formation of a large vacuole in center. दोबारा सुनो, न्यूक्लियस क्या है? यूकैरियोटिक सेल में एक ट्रू न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट है. न्यूक्लियस क्या है? अ डीपली राउंड स्ट्रक्चर that is present in the center and is surrounded by a nuclear membrane that is known as nucleus. In animal cell, this nucleus is present in the center, but in plant cell, this nucleus gets moved from center to the periphery means किनारे पर, सेल के किनारे पर चला जाएगा ये न्यूक्लियस, ड्यू टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ए लार्ज वैक्यूल इन द सेंटर. वैक्यूल मीन्स a large space. Third part of eukaryotic cell is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a semi-fluid matrix that is present between nucleus and cell membrane. Nucleus and cell membrane. This cytoplasm contains various cell organelles. This cytoplasm contains various cell organelles. And each cell organelle in the cell perform a specific function. Let us draw the diagram, simple diagram of cell, eukaryotic cell, in which I will show the structure of cell membrane or plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. In the center, a true nucleus is present, which is surrounded by nuclear membrane. This is nucleus, and this nucleus is surrounded by nuclear membrane. The outer covering of the cell is known as plasma membrane. This outer covering of the cell, which covers the cell from outside, known as plasma membrane, and it is thin and living, and it is selectively permeable. It allows the entry or exit of certain selected substance. This fluid-like material which is present between the nucleus and cell membrane, this fluid is known as cytoplasm. And in this cytoplasm, various cell organelles are present. So this is the simple structure of a eukaryotic cell. Now the detailed structure of eukaryotic cell is: this is the animal cell structure which I am drawing. This is nucleus, and these are nuclear pore through which the material of nucleus moves outside in the cytoplasm. This is nuclear membrane. The outer covering is known as plasma membrane or cell membrane. This semi-fluid matrix which is present between nucleus and cell membrane is known as cytoplasm. And in this cytoplasm, various cell organelles are present. The cell organelles which is attached to the nuclear membrane is known as endoplasmic reticulum. This is endoplasmic reticulum. And in this endoplasmic reticulum, various small round structures are present. These round structures are known as ribosomes. and the endoplasmic reticulum on which these ribosomes are attached. These are known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the endoplasmic reticulum on which ribosomes are not attached are known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. These slipper-shaped cell organelles are also present in the cytoplasm, and these organelles are known as mitochondria, which provide energy to the cell. When we move from the nucleus to the cell membrane, these elongated cell-like vacuole-like structure are present, and these are known as Golgi body. And at the near the surface of cell, a rounded structure is present, which is known as lysosomes. So this is the structure of animal cell, that is eukaryotic cell. The difference between plant cell and animal cell appears here. This is the cell membrane, and in plant cell, outside the cell membrane, another membrane is present, which is known as cell wall. In the center, a large vacuole is appear in the plant cell, which is known as vacuole, and due to appearance of these large vacuole, nucleus is transferred to the periphery, and fluid-like material is present in the cell, that is known as cytoplasm. And similarly, other cell organelles are also present, such as chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, etc. So this is the structure of plant cell.